Let's build flavor.
Where flavor is built tradition, no matter where you are.
This Ghanaian palm nut soup recipe is one of those meals that's rich, comforting, and full of deep flavor. Every family has their own way of making it, and today I'm sharing the version we enjoy at home. One ingredient that makes this soup so special is the palm nut cream. I'm using the Adepo brand today because it gives the soup that beautiful color, creamy texture, and rich flavor without having to process fresh palm nuts yourself. It's a wonderful shortcut that still delivers incredible results. For the meat, I'm using beef neck bones because they're packed with so much flavor. As they simmer, they help create a broth that's rich and satisfying. I'm also adding smoked fish because that's how my Ghanaian friend taught me how to make the soup, which gives the soup another layer of flavor. It brings a smoky, savory depth that really makes this dish stand out. I'm also using garlic, ginger, tomato paste, onions, tomatoes, and a little hot pepper. Feel free to add as many as you'd like. I don't think garlic and ginger gets enough credit. They're simple ingredients, but together they create a wonderful foundation for so many soups and stews. Ginger adds a gentle warmth while garlic brings richness and depth. They work so well together. The tomatoes help brighten everything up, while the onions add a natural sweetness that balances the richness of the soup. And of course, if you enjoy a little heat, don't be afraid to add some habanero pepper or scotch bonnet pepper. You can always adjust it to your own taste. One thing I love about recipes like this is that they remind us that good food doesn't need to be rushed. The longer everything simmers together, the more the flavors develop. And for a smooth texture, I recommend that you use your strainer and strain the palm nut cream so that way you end up with a nice creamy texture and you'll enjoy it so much with your rice balls or your Ghanaian rice balls. And that's one of my favorite parts about cooking. Watching simple ingredients slowly become something that brings everyone to the table. If you've never cooked with beef tripe before, you can absolutely leave it out. To be honest with you, I've made the soup with beef tripe, but for the most part, when I make it again, I don't use it because I don't like the texture and I don't like, if you don't clean it well, it leaves an unpleasant aroma. So if you're not familiar with it, please just do yourself a favor and just leave it out. And of course, we have hubby here enjoying the soup with his hand the way that our friend taught us how to make it and eat this dish. And we just went to town. So I would love for you to give it a try and don't forget to subscribe so you can get more delicious Haitian and Ghanaian recipes. And we also have some delicious Filipino recipes coming your way and we cannot wait to share these with you. So until next time, cheers.